In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage order and delivery history. Whether you shop on a phone or a computer, the process is very similar across major retailers, so follow along and apply it to the app or website you use most. Start by opening your shopping app or going to the retailer's website, then sign in to your account. Once you're in, head to the Profile or Account section. From there, look for Orders or Order History. This is your central hub. You'll typically see your purchases grouped into pending orders, shipped items, delivered orders, and canceled orders. This overview helps you quickly check what's on the way, what has arrived, and anything that didn't go through. If something looks unfamiliar, open the order details to see the full item list, prices, and timestamps for clarity. To track delivery status for something that's on the way, open Order History, select the specific order, and tap Track Package or Track Shipment. You'll usually see the courier's name, a tracking number, and an estimated delivery date. Some platforms also show a movement timeline as the package travels. Keep in mind that updates come from the carrier, so there may be brief delays before new scans appear, especially over weekends or holidays. If you want to tidy up your list after an item arrives, some platforms let you archive or hide completed orders. Go to Order History, select the completed order, and choose Archive Order if you see that option. Archiving simply removes it from the main view. It does not delete the record. Not every app supports this feature, so don't worry if you don't see it. A quick note on deletion. Most platforms do not allow you to permanently delete order history. Companies keep purchase records for payment verification, return and refund tracking, security, and tax or legal compliance. If you prefer less clutter, use archiving when available. Need to cancel an order that hasn't shipped yet? Open the order, choose Cancel Order, pick a reason, and confirm. If the item has already shipped, cancellation is usually disabled, and you may need to wait for delivery and then follow the store's return policy. For budgeting or record keeping, some sites let you download your order history. Go to Account Settings, select Order Reports, choose a date range, and download it as a CSV or PDF. Availability varies by platform, but the exported file is handy for expense tracking. Finally, keep your order history private by logging out on shared devices, enabling two-factor authentication, removing saved payment methods you don't use, and turning on account lock features when available. That's it. Now you can confidently review